concept we discussed in Power Query, first module in Power BI, right? We discussed in merge queries. While discussing the Power Query classes, we discussed these types of joins in Power BI. Now the joins we are going to discuss about in where? SQL guys, SQL server, right? Okay, so for that, first let us discuss what is cross join, what is inner join, what is left outer join. Then after you can understand what are those functionalities. Okay. For that, practice. First, what is this cross join? We'll come to this cross join. We'll discuss it later. First, let us discuss about what is inner join, what is left outer, what is right outer. We'll discuss about them. Okay. First, let us discuss about inner join, guys. What is this inner join? It is also called as equi-join, natural join. In Power BI, it has many names. But in SQL Server, it is inner join only. Okay. So I am going to have two tables like this. One table is employee table, my first table. My second table is department table like this. Okay. I want to combine these two tables like this, guys. Okay. So this is a separate table. That is an employee table. Okay. So this is what, guys? Department table. Department table. Like this. So I'm going to combine these two tables like this, guys. I'm going to combine these two tables into a single table. That is my resulted table. Right. So this is my resulted table. Right? Resulted table. This is table 1. Okay, this is 1, this is 2. So these two tables I am combining like this, guys. So combining this like this. Okay, like this I am going to combine. Okay, so that is called joins, guys. Combine is nothing but joins. So how it is going to happen? So for this, for example, let me take this, guys. So this is my first table, employee table. My second table is what? Department table. Okay, so for those two tables, what is the common column between those two tables? Department number. Here also department number. Based upon that common column, we are going to join the tables, two tables, right? So here, first row is this, right? This first row is going to check with each and every row of second table. With what? Common column. Here, what is my department number for first row? 10. Here, what is this first row? This row, right? So what is the department number here? 10. If 10 equal to 10, right? Then this record is going to be formed in my resulted table. This is my resulted table. Right? Blue table is what? My resulted table. In my resulted table, if those two values are matching same, then the first record is going to be coming to the resulted table like this. Right? This is my resulted table, right? Okay. Here you can see result. This is my resulted table. Okay. Right. Again, this 10 is going to check with next row value, department number value. Is 10 equal to 20? No, not same. Not same means this record is not going to be patched. Again, this 10 is going to check with the next number, next department number. Is 10 equal to 30? No, this row is also not getting recorded. So in my resulted table, these two records are not going with this first row combination, right? So then after, let me check with this one, guys. What is my second row in first table? This one, right? So employee number 1 or 2, Raj, salary is 2000, department number is 20. First, this 20 is going to with what? Checking with first row. Okay, right, guys. So in first row, here what is my number? 20. Here what is the number? 10. Is 20 equal to 10? No, it will not pull this record. Right? Again, this 20 is going to the second row value. Is 20 equal to 20? Yes. Yes means it is going to fetch this record along with first row record. So I can see my second row record in resulted table like this. Is that clear, guys? If 20 equal to 20, it is going to fetch that record. Department number equal to 20 from first table, department number equal to 20 in second table. So matching In matching only it will fetch that record. Is that clear? Okay. So what inner join will do, guys? It will fetch only matching records, right? So that is why it will check like this, guys. If the numbers are matching, then only in my resulted table records are forming. Clear? Right. Then after. So again, this 20 will go to where? Third row. In third row, is 20 equal to 30? No. That means it will not fetch this record also. Okay? Right. Then after. Right, guys. So let us go with what? Third row, right? Third row. Okay. In this third row, what is the department number here? 10. This 10 will go to where? First record. In first record, what is my, in second table, my first record. What is my number here? 10. Is 10 equal to 10? Yes. That means it is going to fetch that record. What is that? This is my third record. Matching, right? So this is my first table row. This is my second table row. కనిపిస్తుందండి మీకు ఫస్ట్ టేబుల్ రో ఏంటి 103 Nikki 3000 103 Nikki 3000 then after what is the number 10 department number. Coming to the second row table, sorry, second table row. Here what is this row? This one, right? So what is the value department number? 10. Yes, 10. What is the department name? Sales. Yes, sales. What is the location? Hyderabad. So like this, if the numbers are getting matched, then only it is going to fetch the records. That is what inner join. Okay. Again, then this 10 will go to where? Second number. Is 10 equal to 20? No. Not bring. Again, this 10 will go to third row. Is 10 equal to 30? No. It will not bring the record. Is that clear, guys? Right. Again, what is the next one? Next row is here. This one, right? This is my next row, right? So in next row, what is my number here? 50. This 50 will go to first record, guys, here. Is 50 equal to 10? No, it will not bring that record. Again, 50 will go to where? Second record, right? Is 50 equal to 20? No, it will not bring record. Again, this 50 will go to last record. 50 equal to 30? No. So that is why that row combination is not there in my resulted table. అర్థమైందమ్మా మీకు? New guys, అర్థమైందా మీకు? What about you, Maheshwari? Did you get this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So joins will be based upon common columns between these two tables, employee table and department table. Okay. This is my first table. What? Employee table. What is my second table here? Department table. Between those two tables, what is my common column? Department number. So to join those two tables, it will join through records, record by record. So first record, common column number is what? 10. This 10 will check with each and every row record. If that 10 equal to 10, then only this will fetch record, that record. If not matching means not fetching that record. So inner join, what it will do? It will fetch only matching record, guys. That is the inner join purpose. అర్థమైందండి? Right, guys. Right. Okay. Akash? Akash?
చెప్పండి సార్.
What about Durga Prasad? So does he
కాల్ చేయలేదు సార్.
recorded videos?
నాకైతే డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను అన్నాడు సార్.
Okay. Ask him to take the recorded videos and practice accordingly. Ask him to practice accordingly. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
If possible, ask him to call me once again.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, fine.
చెప్తాను సార్, ఇప్పుడే ఫోన్ చేస్తాను.
Okay, right. Right, guys. Okay. So out of these two tables, in my resulted table, how many records I got here, guys? 3 records. What are these 3 records? Match records, right? So in my resulted table, these are my column names. In my resulted table, these column names are from where? From 2 tables. Okay, so these column names, these are from first table, these are from second table, right? Those are from department table, those columns. These first columns are from which table? First table, employee table. Records are also like that. When it is fetching, only matching, 10 equal to 10 matching, 20 equal to 20 matching. Okay, 10 equal to 10 matching. Only for matching numbers, it is fetching the records. This is my first record, second record, third record, like that, from both the tables. Clear, guys? Right. What is the non-match record from this left side table? This is the non-match record from left side table, right? అర్థమైందండి? This is the non-match record from left side table. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ రికార్డ్ కూడా నేను ఇక్కడ చూపించాలి అనుకున్నాను. ఈ రికార్డ్ కూడా ఇక్కడ చూపించాలి అనుకున్నాను. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ వరకు అయితే వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి. 104 లక్కీ, ఓకే, 4000 డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నెంబర్, లైక్ దిస్ నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మరి ఇక్కడ నాకు ఈ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ టేబుల్లో ఈ సెకండ్ టేబుల్లో వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి, అక్కడ లేవు కదా, కాబట్టి అక్కడ నల్ వాల్యూస్ చూపిస్తుంది అనమాట. సెకండ్ టేబుల్ కోసం ఇక్కడ నల్, ఇక్కడ ఈ కాలం వాల్యూ కూడా నల్ చూపిస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ ఈ కాలం కూడా నల్ చూపిస్తుంది. ఏంటది? దట్ ఈస్ లెఫ్ట్ అవుట్ ఆర్ జాయిన్. అంటే లెఫ్ట్ అవుట్ ఆర్ జాయిన్ ఈస్ డూయింగ్ వాట్? ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫెచింగ్ మ్యాచింగ్ రికార్డ్స్ ఫస్ట్. Matching records means these records are matching records, right? Then after non-matching record from which side table? Left side table. That is left out or join, guys. So if you go right here, guys, this you can see, right? Right here you can see here, right? So this is what my left side table, employee table. This is what my right side table. Okay, right. Department table, employee table, like this. Okay, so this is what here record, right? So that non-match record I can see in resulted table. This is my resulted table, right? In resulted table, first three records are what? Matching records. Okay, so 10 equal to 10 matching, 20 equal to 20 matching. Here 10 equal to 10 matching, right? So all those are what? Matching records. Then what is the last record? This is the non-matching record from which side table? Left side table. From right side table, what are the column values? Null value. Adhainandi? That is what? Left outer join. Left outer join means what it is doing? It is fetching the matching records plus non-matching record from which side table? Left side table. This is the non-matching record from left side table. So in my resulted table, I can see that record. Clear, guys? Right. Okay, so now let us take right outer join. What right outer join will do here? So right outer join ante, for example, నేను జాయినింగ్ ఇలా చేస్తున్నానండి. ఓకే, 10 equal to 10 మ్యాచింగ్ కాబట్టి ఆ రికార్డ్ వస్తుంది. రిమైనింగ్ ఇంకేమైనా అవుతున్నాయి అంటే అవుతున్నాయి. ఇది కూడా మ్యాచ్ అవుతుంది కదా, హీరో కూడా వస్తుంది. రిమైనింగ్ 10 తోటి ఏమైనా మ్యాచ్ అయ్యి ఉన్నాయా? 20 మ్యాచ్ అవ్వట్లేదు, 50 మ్యాచ్ అవ్వట్లేదు కాబట్టి రావు. కాబట్టి right, so that match records 10 with 10. Here I can see, here also I can see that kada 10. This is first 10 combination. Again second time also 10 matching, right? Okay, right. Then after 20 equal to 20, so it is matching, it will fetch that record. So I have that record also here, 20 equal to 20. Here I can see 20 equal to 20, right? Matching record, right? Then after, so if I go with this 30, this is from my right side table, right? So is 30 is matching with any other number in left side table? No. So that is what 30? Non-matching record from which side table? Right side table. So to fetch that record, non-matching record from right side table, we have to use what? Right outer join. First it will fetch matching records from both the tables. Then after, non-matching records from which side table? Right side table. What is that my non-matching record from right side table? This one, right? Then those are these values. For left side table, what values it will show? Null values it will show, like this. అర్థమైందండి? ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ వాట్? రైట్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్. ఏమీ లేదండి. ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఓన్లీ మ్యాచ్ రికార్డ్స్. లెఫ్ట్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ అంటే మ్యాచ్ రికార్డ్స్ ప్లస్ నాన్ మ్యాచింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ టేబుల్. రైట్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ అంటే మ్యాచింగ్ రికార్డ్స్ ప్లస్ నాన్ మ్యాచింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ రైట్ సైడ్ టేబుల్ లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే, సో ఫుల్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఈ మూడిటి కాంబినేషన్. ఫుల్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ అంటే ఏంటి? మూడిటి కాంబినేషన్. మూడిటి కాంబినేషన్ అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? ఫస్ట్ మ్యాచింగ్ రికార్డ్స్. ఓకే, రైట్. వాట్ ఆర్ దీస్? These are match records. Then after non-match records from left side table. These are the non-match records from left side table. Place non-match record from right side table. This is what? Full outer join. Okay, full outer join. What is this full outer join? First match records plus non-match record from left side table plus non-match record from right side table. Is that clear, guys? Okay, right. Then what is this one? Cross join. Okay, cross join or Cartesian join. Okay, cross join or Cartesian join. So till now we discussed about what? Matching only, right? So your matching is not going to be implemented. It doesn't care about that matching. Okay, what it will do first? So this first row, right? This first row record, it will go to each and every row. It will take combinations of each and every row. So it will fetch first record. It will go to that number that will fetch that record. That is first record here, you can see. Right? Again, that first row will go to where? Second row of second table. That will fetch that record also. That record I can see it here. Right? So department number, these are from right side table, right? Okay, these are from, this is my resulted table, guys. In the resulted table, these are from left side table. So it will take combinations, guys. First row combinations, then after like this. So these are my first row combinations. Are those clear, guys? So 101, this row is repeating for every time for 3 records, right? Same values, but different records are from right side table. First 10th this record, then after 20th record, then after 30th department number record. After first row combinations are completed, then what it is going to do? It is taking second row combinations, guys. Okay, so this will go to this one. It will fetch that record. Okay, so that I can see it here, right? Department number 20 row combinations. Then after it will go to this, like this. Combination. Then after like this. Back chesadu babu. Those are 20th record, right? After 20th record combinations, what are next? Then after 10th record, right? 10th row records. Here we may get one more 3 records here, right? Then after 10th records are, after 10th combination are completed, then after what is next? I have 50th, right? So again here also I am going to get how many records? 3 records. So first 3 records plus second row combinations 3 records plus third row combinations 3 records plus fourth row combinations 3 records, like this. Totally how many records I am going to get here? 12 records I am going to get, right? Right? Okay, so that means what? All combinations of data. That is cross join. Cross means what, guys? Into mark. Okay, so first table containing how many rows here? 4 rows. Cross means into mark, right? Product mark. Then second table containing how many rows? 3 rows. 4 into 3 equal to how many? 12 rows I can get in my resulted table. That is cross join. You remember like that. Abdayandi. For that cross join we have one more name also. What is that? Cartesian join. This is called Cartesian product, right? Okay, so cross join, is it clear? Is it clear, guys? All of you online guys, am I clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. So self join ante entandi? 2 different tables undavu manaki. ఆ టేబుల్ నుంచి ఆ టేబుల్కి కాంబినేషన్ ఇవ్వాలి మనం. అంటే జాయినింగ్ ఏ టేబుల్ టు ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ సెల్ఫ్ జాయిన్. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ విల్ డిస్కస్ గైస్. ఓకే రైట్. నౌ లెట్ మీ గో టు ద SQL. Okay right guys, so here what I'm going to do is, okay, so first I'm going to create a database. How to create database, you know, right? To create a database, what is the command we need to use? Create database. Okay, so this is my database name guys. What is my database name here? Joins. So that my database is going to be formed. What is the database guys? If I go here, if I go to this databases, how many databases I have for now? Only 3 databases I have. Okay, so employee department database, product database, product sales database. Okay, so like that I'm going to add one more database. That database name is what here? Joins. So this joins new database is going to be land here. Okay, one more database. That database name is here joins. What is the purpose of database guys? It will store the data, tables. To store the business data, I need to create a database. Database is the place to store the tables, business data. The table contains business data, right? Okay guys, so already you are aware of these things. How to create the database? Just type create database. So I need to take like this guys, right? Just what I have to type here? Create database. Here SQL server is not case sensitive. Whatever the case you can take, you can combine those texts also, small, capital, however you can take guys. Create database. What is my database name here? Joins. Okay, so if I want to use capitals, all caps I can use. I'm creating a database. The database name is joins. Just select that one, just click on execute. So that command completed successfully. Okay, so under this database, okay, so what I want to do is I want to create some table. Okay, so in database we are going to store tables. In tables what we are going to store? Business data. So I created this database. To use that database, what is the command I need to write? Use. First I want to use that one, right? To use that database I have to write which command? Use. Use. What is the database name? Joins. Right? Use database. Use joins, right? Use database, that's it. Okay, let us see that guys. So if I write this, use joins, I created my database as joins. To use that database, I have to write use command guys. So here you can see master for now. What you are seeing here? Master. Master means it includes all databases on that server, SQL server. But I want to work on only just now created database. For that, I need to type use. Use that database name. Just select that, click on execute. Here what you can see? Joins. Previously what was that? Master. Now if I use this command, use joins, so that I'm going to be land on that database. That database name is what? Joins. In this database, I want to create a table. To create a table, what is the command you need to write? Create table. Okay. So to the table name. Okay. Table name is, for example, department. Right? So in that department, what are the column names you want to keep? I have to give the column names, right? So while typing, it is taking time, guys. So time taking process. So instead of that, so already here guys. Okay, create table. The table name is what? Department. Under that department table, okay, how many columns I am going to add? Department number, one name. Department name, second name. Okay, location, my third name, guys. Location is my third name. For department number, what is the data type? Integer data type. Under department number, I am going to add only numbers, numeric information. So that is why integer, and that is the primary key. Primary key means not null values, no duplicates. Okay. Then department number is what? Department number here is what? Textual information, right? So varchar, the data type is varchar. So 30 means I can pass 30 letters in that name. Size of that text information, right? So here not null means no null values are included here. Okay, then after, what is my next name? Location. Location is also text, right? For text, what is the data type I want to give here? Varchar. Size is how much I have given? 20. So that's up to you guys. However you want to give, you can give. Just select that one, just click on execute. So that command completed successfully. Okay, so till now what I created table. So if I go down, what is this? Select star from department table. I created department table, right? I selected that, just click on execute. I can see only names, column names under that table, department table. I didn't add values till now. To add the values under that column names, I have to use insert into table name. What is my table name here? Department. This is my table name. Okay, insert into the table name. What I want to insert? Values. So values, what values? These are the first row values. Department number is 10. Department number is accounting. Location is Hyderabad. That is the first record. Okay, right guys. So I can select only this one. If I click on execute, how many rows affected? One row. Now I can see first row information. Just select that one, click on execute. Select to star from table name. Table name is department. I can see first row, right? I want to add remaining rows also. Same process. Select the remaining rows, just click on execute. So that how many rows added now? 3 rows. Now I can see 4 rows under the table, right? To see the data under that table, what I want to use? Select the star from that table name, department table. Just click on execute. So that I can see here. Clear guys? మీరు కూడా SQL సర్వర్ చేసుకున్నారు కదా, ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకున్నారా లేదా? రాకేష్ ఒకసారి వాళ్ళకి చెప్పు, ఓకేనా? ఈరోజు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తారు ఈరోజు. రైట్ గైస్, ఈస్ దట్ క్లియర్? హౌ టు క్రియేట్ ద టేబుల్, దట్ ఈస్ క్లియర్. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు క్రియేట్ వన్ మోర్ టేబుల్. టు జాయిన్ దట్ టేబుల్స్ ఐ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ మినిమం 2 tables, రైట్? So this time what is the table I am creating? Employees table. Okay, so create the table, right guys? So let me select. So how many columns I am adding under the table? Employee ID, employee name, salary, department number. So employee ID is a integer and that is unique. For each employee, ID should be unique, right? So I am giving the type, unique type. Employee name is what? Textual information. So that is why varchar, data type. So how many letters I can pass into employee name? 20 numbers. Size, that is. Salary is the integer. Department number is also an integer because of numeric information. Just select that one, click on execute. So that command completed successfully. What I can see here? Employees table I can see. Can I see the values under the table? No. I can see only table names, table structure. Right? Alright guys. Just a second. Values into second table also. So like this I can add how many rows these are? Okay, employee ID, employee name, salary, department number. So how many rows I selected till now? 5 rows. 5 rows are going to be added. Right? So this is the second way to add the values into the table. What is the second way? Insert into employees, employee ID, employee name, salary. I am going to add only three variable values I am inserting. Okay, for employee ID, what is the number I am giving? 106. For employee name, Lakshman. Salary, 21,000. And department name, I am not giving here, right? Like this also I can add. Just click on execute, guys. So that one row effective. So now I can see the data under the employees table, right? Just select the table, click on enter. So how many rows I have here? 6 rows. Under department table, how many rows I have? 4 rows. Employee having 6 rows, department table having 4 rows. If I want to see 2 tables data, select star from employee table, select star from department table. Select those 2, click on execute. So that I can see the 2 tables data like this. It is having 6 rows. Second table having how many rows? 4 rows. Right? Now I am combining these two tables. I am joining these two tables, guys. Okay? Right. Here what is this? Write a query to get matching records from both the tables. Matching records from both the tables means which join it is in Power BI? Inner join. That is inner join, right? Okay. Right. Right. So what inner join will do, guys? Match records. It will fetch the match records. Match records means you can identify here, right? What are those match records here? Department number 10. Department number 10, one record. Right? Again, department number 10 will go to each and every row. Is there any matching? No. One record is added. Then after 20 adding, right? So 1 plus 1, one record, one more record. Right? Plus this 10 again. This 10 again going to the second table. Again 10 is matching, right? Plus 1. Then after 30th combinations, department number 30, 1 is matching, right? Right. Plus 1. Then after 20 again. So 20 will go to second table, right? 20 one more time it is matching, means it is going to add one more time, right? So here department number is null, means no one is matching. So how many rows I am going to get with inner join? 5 rows I am going to get, right? Let us see, guys. Okay? Right. So I need to write what here? Write a query to get match records from both the tables. To get the match records from both the tables, okay, select star from what is the table name? First table name? Employees, right? So employees. Okay, employees. What is the join I want to use? Inner join. Okay, inner join. Okay, inner join to which table? Department table, right? Take that department table here. And joining should be based upon common columns, right? Between these two common columns, what is the common column, guys? Department number, department number. Between these two tables, here it is department number. In first table, employee table. In department table, I have department number. So based upon common column only, I am going to add, right? So that is why on common columns. What are those common columns? So employee dot department number, employees dot department number. Okay. So equal to. Okay. So what is the second table? Department, right? Department dot, what is the column name? Department number, right? Right, guys. So select that one, just click on execute. How many records I got here? 5 records. 10, 10, 20, 20, 10, 10, 30, 30, 20, 20. Is that clear? That is what? Inner join, guys. Right. Then after, what next? Write a query to get the match records from both the tables and also the non-matching records from left side table. Non-matching records from left side table. That means what it is called, guys? Left outer join, right? Matching records from both the tables plus non-matching records from left side table. That means what type of join it is? Left outer join, right? So take left outer join. Right? Okay, left outer join. Okay, guys. So just like this, guys. So instead of inner join, we need to keep what? Left outer. That's it. Everything same to same, guys. So can I copy this? Just copy that one. Okay. So let me paste it here, guys. Here what I want to take? Left outer join, right? Left outer join. That's it, guys. Select star from first table. Which join I am implementing here? left outer join from second table, joining to second table on common column, same. Select this one. So how many non-match records are there, guys? For example, let us select this one. Okay, so what are the non-match records from left side table? 10 matching, 20 matching, 10 matching, 30 matching, 20 matching, 5. Only, what is this? Null. Department number is null. From left side table, it is null, guys. So null is going to be added. Who is that person? Lakshman. Okay. This record, sixth record. One more sixth record is going to be joined, right? Right, guys. Six records I can get. Just select this one. Department number is not there for that person. Department number is not there, Lakshman person. So previously, only matching records means 5 records. Non-matching record from right side table means, left side table means last record. Clear? Right. So here, what is this? Write a query to get the department number details where even one employee is not working under any department number. So I want to fetch only this person. Lakshman is not working under any department number. Okay. So I want to fetch that one. How can I fetch that one, guys? Same, copy this one. Where department number equal to null. What is the department number? Employee dot is null, right? Right, guys. Where employee's department number is null. Let us see this, guys. Or here, guys. Let us see this. Just click on execute. Got it, right? Right? Then after, like. So what is this one, guys? Write a query to get the match records from both the tables and also the non-match records from right side table. Non-match records from right side table. That means what type of query it is? Right outer join, right? Right outer join. Join. Okay. So for this, what could be my query? Just whatever I have taken earlier, copy that one. Okay. Here I have to use what? Right outer join, right? Right, only right. Right outer join. Okay. So right outer join. That means let us go there. How many we can get? Let us see. These are my two tables. Okay. So right outer join. So what is the right match records from? Okay. Right outer join. So that means 10 is matching, it is going to page. 20 is matching, it is going to page. 30 is matching, it is going to page. 40 not matching, right? Okay. So this department is also going to be added this time. Let us see that, guys. So for that, let me take this one. Right. Okay. What you can see? Like this you can see, right? Or else, if I want to see that right side table, right side values first, I can take here department first. Then I can take employee here to see the right. Right? So this is however equal to means 2 equal to 2 means whatever I can write earlier, right? So let us see this, guys. So first department number, department name, location. Okay. This 10th department is going with what? Second table department number matching. Again this 10 is matching with one more record in second table, left side table. So that is why I can get like this, guys. Okay. Who is this person? Lakshman. So just a second. I want to see 40, right? So for that, right. So this is the right way. We'll see, guys. Where is that 40? I can see here, right? Okay. Right, guys. So however I can go. This is my second table, right? Right side table. These are the, so 10 is matching with 2 times for left side table. Okay, who's the 10? Like this, guys. 10th department, Virat is there, Dhoni is there under 10th department. So that is why 10 is repeating for twice. 10th record. Okay, here what is the non-matching record from right side table? 40th department. For 40th department, what are these values? Null value. Is that clear, guys? Right. Okay, right. Now what is this? Write a query to get the employee details who is not working under any one of the department number. Who is that person? This person, 40th department person. Okay, operations. I want to fetch that record. So how can I fetch that record? Okay, write a query to get the employee details who is not working under any one of the department number. Okay, so for that, what could I do? Employee ID. Actually, here what I have to write? Here that is not correct. Write a query to get the employee details who is not working, who doesn't have employee ID. Doesn't have employee ID. Just a second. I think who doesn't have. Any employee number. Any employee. Right? This person I want to get. Okay, so for this, how can I write it, guys? Same, select this one. On this table, here what is this? Employee ID. EID is null, right? EID from which table? Left side table, right? Okay, what is that left side table? Where employees dot EID is what? Null. Okay, right, guys. Just click on this, execute. So I can get that. Clear, guys? Perfect. Okay, right. Then what is this? Write a query to get the match records from both the tables and also the non-match records from both the tables. What is this? Pull out or join. Right? This is pull out or join. What is this? 3 combinations are there. First, match records from both the tables and also the non-match records from both the tables. Non-match records from both the tables means what? Non-match records from left side table, non-match records from right side table. That means it is a pull out or join. Right? So for that, what can I write? Select star from first department. First table name is what? Employees, right? Okay. Select star from employees. What is the join I want to use here? Pull out or join. Pull out or join. What is my second table name? Department table. On what is the common column between those two? Employee number, employees at department number is equal to at department number. Right. Okay, just select that one. So how many records I can get, guys? Okay, execute. I think 6 or 7, 8. I think we'll see. 7 records, guys. Okay, 5 are matching. Okay, remaining are non-matching. Okay, so this is the non-match record from left side table. This is the non-match record from right side table. Is that clear, guys? Perfect. Then what is this cross join? All combinations of data. First table contains how many rows? 6 rows. Second table contains how many rows? 4 rows. ఇంతకుముందు చూసాం కదండి. Just click on execute. So first table contains 6 rows, right? Second table contains 4 rows. All combinations of data means 6 into 4. So in interview panel, they'll ask you, my table has 5 rows, table A has 5 rows, table B has 4 rows. By implementing cross join, how many records I can expect in my resulted table? That will be the question from interview. What you can answer? 20 records I can get, right? By using cross join. Okay, right guys. So how can we implement that? For that, okay. Okay, let it be. What is that? Select star from employees. Select star from employees. Okay. What is that? Cross join, right? Cross join department on what is that? Employees. I think this is not required, guys, because of no need of checking that one, right? It doesn't care of that thing. What is that? Common column. It don't bother about that one, right? Let us see, guys. Let us see. Right? So query executed. How many rows I got here? 24. 6 into 4. Right? It won't bother about common column. It will take all match records. Right? First record is 10. Okay. Here 10 with all match records. Okay. From second table 6 times. Okay. Alright, guys. So like this, these are the all combinations of data. That is cross join. For cross join, what is the query? Select star from first table, cross join second table. That's it. Okay. Now self join, guys. Okay. So what is the self join? Right, guys. So for that, first I need to create one table. The table name is, previously I have already employees table, right? So this time I am taking employees 1 table or employees 2 table. Let me go with employees 1 table. Already employee name is there, employees table is there. So this time taking employees 1. Under that, okay. So what are the column names I am taking? Right. Employee number is integer. Employee name is rkar, means textual information. Manager ID is also integer. Salary is also integer. Okay, right. Okay, right. Just click on create. Command completed successfully. To add the values into the table, insert into table name values. What values? Employee number 101, employee name Virat Kohli. Okay, manager ID is 105, salary is 50,000, like this. Like this, how many rows I am going to add here? 5 rows I am going to add. Just click on execute. 5 rows got affected. Now I can see the data under the tables, right? Select star from employees, right? Just click on that. I can see the information. Okay, here what I want to show. Okay, here guys. So I'm going to take this what? Employee name. I have employee number for each employee. Okay, for that, who is the manager here? 105. For Virat Kohli, manager is 105. Right? So that manager has to come here, guys. Who is 105 here? Sachin. So I want to bring that Sachin to this place. So that is the use of self join, guys. I don't have manager name, just I have manager ID. By using that employee number, I want to fetch that number there. Okay, that is the self join. So how I'm going to do that self join, we'll see now. Okay, so for that, okay guys. So here, write a query to do self join on employees table to get only employee name, manager name. For each employee, who is the manager, I want to see. Okay, so for that, select. Okay, select e dot employee name as employee. As employee, comma, just a second. For that, e dot employee name as employee. Okay, right. M dot employee name, M dot e name as manager, from so for this, just a second, if I go there, okay, select e dot e number, e dot e name as employee. From employees 1 e inner join. Okay, till now I have written correctly. From employees 1 e inner join employees 1 m on. Okay, so for that, right, what are these e, what are those m, I'll tell you guys. Okay, from employees 1 e, from employees 1 e inner join employees 1 m employees 1 m on e dot manager id m dot manager id m dot mgr id which is equal to e dot e number, right? We'll see now this.
Sir, from beside manager.
Just a second. E dot manager id m dot e number, e dot
Sir,
manager
off.
id m dot manager number,
Sir,
dot manager id m dot e number. Let us see.
hello.
The difference
Hello.
between- just a second, guys. I'm not taking e number, employee numbers, employee number, employee name. I'm not taking that. If I try this, let us see. For this, let me write this thing. Right, guys. So select star from employees 1 E, inner join. Okay, employees 1 M on E manager ID E number. Why? We'll see this. I can see only this thing. Then after, let us see this. I can see only table structure for that. If I run this.
Sir, spelling mistake sir from.
Right, yes. Let's see, guys. Oh. Yes, clear, guys. Kada. Okay, guys. Okay, so with this, to do the self join, okay, so I don't have self join option here. I can go with inner join. Inner join means matching. Okay, matching means, for example, okay, if I do this, right, guys. So here, what is the first employee? Virat, right? For Virat, what is the employee number? 101. What is manager number? In matching case only, I have to provide his manager name, right? If this 105 is matching with whom? Sachin. Okay. So what are the common columns, matching columns? Manager ID and then the employee number. Okay. If manager ID equal to employee number, then only I have to fetch that record. Matching only. So for matching, what is the join we have? Inner join. So to perform self join, what we have to implement? Inner join we need to use. Clear, guys? So inner join we have to use. So that is why. Select. So this E are what, guys? Here we have only single name, right? Single table name. What is that single table name? Employees 1. Okay. I want to join that table with what? Second table. So that is why here what I am doing, these are called alias names, guys. Table alias names. So this employees 1, I am keeping this alias name as E. This employees table again, same table, right? I am giving it with what? I am assigning this table with what? M. Now employees 1 got converted to E table first, second table, M table, same table. From that E table, okay. Okay. So this is for what? Only table structure I can say. E manager ID equal to, within the employee table, manager ID equal to employee number, then I can see only table structure with this. If I select this, I can see only table structure, guys, like this. Employee number, employee name, manager ID, E salary. Then after again same table, employee name, employee number, employee name, manager ID, employee salary. Okay, but I want to see here what? This one, guys. Right. What is this? To get only employee name, manager name. I want to see only employee name, manager name. For that, what I am doing? For employee name, I am giving the rename as employee. Okay. So E dot T name means what? Employee name from first employees table. Okay. I am renaming it as I am renaming that as what? Employee. M dot employee name. M dot means from second table employee. So for that, what is the name I am giving here? Manager. From which table? Employees E. Inner join employees M. Based upon manager ID. Manager ID has to be linked with what? Match with what? Employee number. Okay. Right, guys. So if I run this, I can see to get only employee name and manager name. So for that, select that one, click on execute. So that employee name I can see. For Virat, who is the manager? Sachin. In the similar way, for remaining persons, we have like managers based upon matchings, right? That's it, guys.